Hi everybody, Mike McConville here, StringTech Workstations. Special treat for you today. We've got two Teles. They both have three-way saddles. They're both going to get three-way compensated saddles. Dan had sent these along. Gary has his American Tele, and he's ordered the Glendale saddles, and we're going to put those on. So we're going to do these two Teles in tandem and give you play-by-play, as always. Cheers. These saddles here for Dan's guitar, although they're a more complex machining process than the Glendale saddles, they're not as accurate. I've got a couple of simple diagrams here to sort of explain what happens. The Telecaster stock three-way saddles just go straight across. So compensating these three-way saddles, it's a must. If you want your guitar to be in tune, it's got to be done. This Telecaster setup, compensated three-way saddles, fret dress, compensated nut. This is a video I posted, I don't know, it's got to be a couple of years ago now, and you can go and look at that video. I ended up actually reshaping the stock saddles to get the guitar to be perfectly in tune. These were brass barrel saddles, so I was able to do that. But the amount of work involved in doing that, I would never do it again. But still, it's a good video. Go back and watch it and you'll get the idea. So this is a diagram of your typical sort of waveform three-way Telecaster compensated saddles for the bridge. Tune that down 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That allows me to just kind of slip that radius gauge in there. And then I can check my action, and I know that the strings come all the way across and they just kiss that self-adjusting radius gauge. Now, that foam is very low density. It doesn't lift the strings. It just gently comes up and touches the underside. So I always adjust the two outside strings first. Then the 4 middle ones, I hike them up right out of the way. Just after those two heights have been determined, the outside strings, the middle 4 strings are then just brought down to just kiss that wood piece all the way across. Then you know you've got a perfect match to the radius of your fingerboard. Right out on this Warmoth neck, that is your truss rod adjustment. The rough compensation values for all of the strings have been cut. I will put the new strings on in the morning and do the final ultra tweak. This compensated nut is also done. Fresh strings in the morning and do the final tweak, and both these Teles will be 100%.